Hey, I hope you're doing well. This is an extra little tidbit of a video. Just to answer some questions really, mostly concerning why I've left Fstoppers, but also looking at have I just become a YouTuber? And I want to address that because I think it's an interesting topic because it is frowned upon in the professional world to be a YouTuber. You'll notice on my Instagram, which is my sort of professional social media, that I don't link to my YouTube because I have all the art buyers, all of the creative directors and other photographers, which obviously I fear their judgment, on there. And I don't want them to see that I'm here on YouTube because it does make it look like, and this is being completely honest here, I'm a failing photographer who can't make enough money and has to do other things. And, you know, maybe there's some truth to that. Maybe you think that as well. But we're going to go into that in a separate video, more like about being a photographer and having a YouTube channel. But I still make 90% or 80% probably this year so far, because it's been a slow year on the stills front. But 80 to 90% of my income is from stills. I do make enough money from this to be a full-time YouTuber if I wanted to. I don't have to do the photography, and that is a great place to be in, because if a job comes in and I don't want to do it, I say no. And that is very nice to be able to do. If a client pays 9 months late, doesn't matter. I'm all good. So that's nice. But yes, I think there's a lot of shame placed on photographers who have YouTube channels. It's really like it's amateur hour. If you've got a YouTube channel, then you're not a real photographer. That is the general gist of things. I don't buy into that, but I do buy into that as well, because I'm definitely guilty of judging other photographers who are on YouTube. There are a few other real photographers on YouTube as well, and I'm guilty of thinking, oh, maybe they're not doing so well at the moment, that's why they're doing YouTube videos and workshops. But then, you know, that's quite a daft position to be in. Now, in terms of Fstoppers, I've had a load of questions. Why have I stopped writing for Fstoppers? Has there been some big fallout? Was it to do with endorsements or anything like that? And the honest answer is I don't have time. I simply don't have time to write for Fstoppers at the moment. I've loved writing for Fstoppers. I wrote for them for maybe 4 years. I really enjoyed it. And then I got to the point about 2 years ago where I was just reposting my own videos. And yes, I make a small bit of money from that, but it was not really what I wanted to do. I wanted to write original articles. And the problem I have now is I can't do original articles and original videos. I don't have the mental capacity and number of ideas to produce both. Just doesn't happen. I'm really dyslexic, and writing is really hard for me, which is one of the reasons I did it, because I wanted to improve my writing, and it absolutely served that purpose. It was also a really good platform to launch this YouTube channel from. My first video I ever made, I made with the sole purpose to post onto Fstoppers, and it got 20,000 hits straight away. Yes, and granted, the next 3 years not so good, but it was a great platform for that. There's absolutely no hard feelings. I believe I've left it in a place where I might come back someday and do some more writing if time becomes available, or all of a sudden I have more ideas to write about it. But I don't think I'm adding anything to the internet by reposting my YouTube videos there just for a bit of small cash and a bit of extra exposure. I don't think that does anyone any favours. I don't think it does the channel of Fstoppers any favours just to see more reposts. There's some brilliant original articles on there. And whether you agree with them or not, I don't think that's the point. You don't want to just be in an echo chamber. I think it's great to read other people's perspectives, which is why I decided to call it a day on the old Fstoppers front for maybe not forever, but for the foreseeable future, just because time is short. I want to spend more time with the kids and family. And I got to every Friday, and that was my day that I submitted to Fstoppers, and I'd be like, oh God, I've not done my article. I need to pull something together. Oh shit, just do a repost. It'll be fine. And that's not fair on them. It's not right for me just to be going, oh, it's the last thought on my mind. Let's quickly bang something together so I fulfill a quota. You know, that's not a fair exchange at all, you know. So yeah, absolutely no hard feelings there. There's been no fallouts. It's just simply I don't have the time nor bandwidth. My brain is at maximum capacity. It's not that big. And yeah, I can only have so many ideas in a week. Anyway, it's just a quick update. Just thought it might be of interest to you because, well, I know it might be of interest to you because I keep getting DMs about what happened at Fstoppers. I assume there's some bizarre rumour going around, but no. But no, it's not the case at all. They're all lovely people over there. I made some really good friends over there, some good contacts. And yeah, everyone's been really pleasant to me the entire time. I've caught COVID several times. I've had like big shoots come up on deadline days. I'm like, I'm sorry guys, I'm going to let you down again. They've been really cool with me. So if you ever have the opportunity to write for Fstoppers, they pay a very fair and reasonable wage for what you're doing. And they're really nice people to work with. So thoroughly recommend that. Anyway, just a quick update today. See you all soon. Bye-bye.